How to transfer money from Walmart gift card to Cash App. Let's get started. Unfortunately, Walmart gift cards cannot be directly transferred to Cash App. However, you can use a few workarounds to convert the Walmart gift card into a usable form for Cash App. Here's how. Buy a prepaid debit card with the Walmart gift card. Use your Walmart gift card to purchase a Visa or MasterCard prepaid debit card in store or online. Add this prepaid debit card to your Cash App account as a payment method. Open Cash App, tap on profile icon, select linked bank accounts, linked debit card, and enter the prepaid card details. Next, use gift card exchange platform. Sell your Walmart gift card on platforms like Raise, Card Cash, or GameFlip. Choose PayPal as the payout method, then transfer the money from PayPal to linked Cash App account. Next, directly purchase items to save cash. Instead of transferring, use the Walmart gift card to buy items you need at Walmart and save your cash. Deposit the saved cash into your Cash App account through your linked bank account or by using a Cash App supported reload method. Walmart gift cards typically cannot be converted into cash unless state laws mandate it for small balances. Always check for transaction fees on prepaid cards or gift card exchanges. These steps should help you utilize your Walmart gift card funds through Cash App indirectly. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.